Hello everyone, what is up once again? And today we have the Mini GT BMW M4 Performance in Alpine White. And as you can see, this is a new Mini GT to obviously the Mini GT family. And yes, this is the M4 M Performance. Now this is basically like the competition, the M4 competition. But it's not the CSL, but yeah, it is more of like the M Performance version. Obviously, number 346 out of all of the Mini GTs. And there's the BMW licensing, as you can see. And then TSM models and Mini GT. So once again, let's go ahead and open this up. Interesting to see this car already reaching to Mini GT because sorry if I say this, I know many people don't really agree, but I kind of like this car a lot actually. But it's not one of my favorites. I mean, I do like the car, but it's slightly overrated, I would say. So this is the BMW M4 M Performance, and as you can see, like I said just now, this is the newer M4, not the older version that we had previously. I know Mini GT has done a few BMW M4s back in the past, the older version. So this is basically the newer one in obviously the M Performance edition, which includes the M parts for the BMW. So yeah, as you can see, like I said just now, this is in Alpine White, which quite interesting to see. So yeah, let's take a look. I mean, I know many people hate this car in real life because of yeah, how it looks like. I mean, like, many people hate the BMW designs these days because of the looks. So here we have the BMW M4 M Performance, and as you can see, blacked out rims, which are pretty cool and pretty accurate to the real life version of this. There is a real life version to this, but do not be mistaken for this car with the four-door version, the the 440i, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember what's the actual name, the normal version, the 4 series, of course. So yeah, this is basically the new one, and as you can see, you have the red, purple, and light blue edition. I mean the sticker right there. It's sort of like a matte texture right here, pretty nice. Obviously follows the real life version as well. You can check the real life version out at the end of the video, how it looks like basically. Yeah, these side windows right there. Well, it is simply different from the newer M4, but I kind of like it. Pretty nice. You have the rubber side mirrors, sorry. Yeah, right there in black. Here we have the front, which may be controversial, obviously, because of the kidney grills, which some people like, some people don't like. I mean, seems pretty good what BMW is doing towards the future. I mean, like, back in the past we used to have the normal M4 type of grill, and now we have more of like this kidney grills, which yeah, many people hate it because how the car looks right now. I mean, obviously you have the aggressive headlights, which are pretty goddamn good. And then you have the BMW badge right there. On the hood you have some air intakes right there. Overall, I like the front. Basically, many people hate the front for this car basically because of how it looks. You have this more of like a carbon fiber type of texture. I mean, it's basically matte, but kind of looks like carbon fiber, matte gray, obviously, for the roof. And then looking at the back right here, the back seems okay. I mean, like, I don't really like it that much, but it still seems okay to me. You have the red rear lights right here, a bit of touch of like gray, white, I guess. The BMW badge right there, BMW M4 for the license plate right there, and overall the back looks clean, even the front. But yeah, I bet many people hate this car. So here we have the base in, what's this, matte black. Mini GT made in China. Overall, I like the texture at the base right here. They did quite well for the base actually, instead of the flat bases that they normally like to do. I'm hoping this kind of casting will reach to Hot Wheels, but I'm afraid it might not come to Hot Wheels, but it's still a fun car to see. Sure enough, many people hate it, especially the newer BMWs like the M2, which people hate because of the rectangle grills, which I don't know who designed the grills on that, and even the BMW XM, which looks kind of gross. But yeah, I like this type of BMW, not gonna lie. It still has its normal shape, but just the front and back has a bunch of changes basically. But I still kind of like it, but yeah, many people don't. Let me know what you think about this car in the comment section below. And yes, once again, thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.